Hello, my name is Andy Johnson. I'm at Bullyan RV in beautiful sunny Duluth, Minnesota. Today I want to do a short video of our 2018 Forest River FR3, and this is a model 30DS. Walk around the outside of this coach, we'll show you the inside, and we'll see what you think. Nice big power awning. 3 power steps that go out. Again, it's model 30DS. It's got outside Jensen speakers, outside TV. There's your batteries. Excuse me. All your hookups. More storage. Propane hookup for the grill. Lots of storage in the back. Awning over the slides. You got your ladder. Your hitch. 5,000 pound towing hitch. It's hard to see, but right above that window there's a backup camera so you can keep an eye on your boat or your tow vehicle. Then you got your big slide with the awning over it. Nice beige exterior. There's your side camera, so when you turn your blinker on, gives you a camera angle of that side. One-piece windshield. "19-inch tires. 4 jacks, 1 on each corner. Okay, now we'll get right inside. Excuse my cough, sorry about that. Okay. It's a 50 amp coach. So it's got 2 air conditioning units, 5,500 Onan generator, and the best fridge in the RV industry. This is an 18 cubic foot fridge, and it's gas and electric. Nice and big. Glass cover over the cooktop. Oven. Lots of storage. Countertop extension. Stainless steel sinks. Nice big TV. And behind that TV, got lots of storage. Then your residential microwave. And storage up above as well. You got your ultra leather chairs that both turn around, obviously. Got the little table in between. There's your camera. Nice flat floor up here. And when it's time to level, you just push a button, hit auto level, it takes it from there. Then there is a power bed up here, so you push a button, that goes into a bed, so it's just like a Class C when that bed is down. Then we've got our couch, and it does have the footrests that come up, and a nice wide booth. So 4 people can actually play cards, 4 people can actually eat at this booth, nice and deep. Large windows all the way around it. Pocket door right here for privacy. And you got your shower. All your controls right here in one nice, easy to get to spot. Then you got your toilet room with foot flush, stainless steel sink, and medicine cabinet there as well. Here's your second air conditioner. And then you've got your king size bed. So nice big bed. Storage up above that bed. Let me take a little bit of time and open these up. Plenty of room to bring all your clothes with as you travel. You got another TV set here. Same deal. Usable space behind it. Well, that's a storage space. Then you got the big window in the back as well. Okay, I'll go up front, give you one more shot at that living room. well. My name is Andy Johnson. I'm at Bullyan RV in beautiful Duluth, Minnesota. I want to thank everybody out there for watching all my videos for the last few years. Really appreciate that you've taken the time out of your day to watch them. But above all, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day, and if you have any questions on this 2018 Forest River FR3 30DS Class A motorhome, just call or text me at 218-391-ANDY. As always, keep on traveling.